Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Ranita and I like getting into beauty and makeup related content. Now today is the day that we build our Boxycharms and I do have Beauty Boost, so I wanted to show you exactly what I'm getting. So I'm going to begin by just sliding over here so I can show you the screen on this side, and we're going to pick my products together and I'll let you know how I feel about all of this and whether I'm looking forward to it. Now if you watched my spoilers, you would have known like, okay, this is like a sense of what's actually coming out this July. And I'm really hoping that it's going to be a really good box. Right, so I've clicked the link and I'm over here. So it says build your perfect Boxycharm. Now it says that my Beauty Boost is going to be the Grown Alchemist Instant Smoothing Serum. Now I wasn't like super excited about all of that stuff. So I'm kind of hoping that I actually get something different. Okay, then there's Gold Fade-In MD Wake Up Call. What is that? That is a overnight regenerative facial treatment with retinol avocado oil. Okay, so that doesn't sound too bad. Like I actually love anything with retinol, so I'm happy with that. Then I get a mascara from Il Makiage, also fine with that because you know, you do need to replace your mascaras every 1 month just to be hygienic. So I'm happy with this one. Let's go on to the next few items. Okay, so I may change this depending on like what I have that's for my Beauty Boost because I'm not too sure yet about Grown Alchemist. So I'm coming into the first product and it looks like we have a satin lipstick, Banana Brighten Eye Cream, Innisfree, some Superfruit Body Lotion, which I don't know anything about, Dr. Brandt Hydrating Serum to Highlighter, and Fenty Beauty. So I think out of all of this, I would really like the perfume. I think I was looking forward to that quite a bit. So I'm going to go with Fenty for that. Let's slide down. Oh my gosh. Okay, we've got a mascara, a matte and moisture lip one, Muse hair mask, tear catchers, 4-piece makeup brush, which I don't need, Feel Beauty. I'm actually a little disappointed, if I'm being honest, like with the choices that I have right now for my second product. I'm actually shocked that there were like some okay ones here at the top, like Ole and Rixen and all of that is there. And then you come down here and I don't know any of these brands. I got Feel like the previous month and that was okay. So I think the strongest thing for me from here, which I have an interest in, is the Squalene because I do like Squalene. So I'm going to probably take this one. It seems to have okay reviews. Okay, this seems to have a good review. I'm gonna try out the Feel Squalene facial oil, so fine. I'm not super like excited about any of the products in my second choice, so I'm a bit disappointed and a bit upset about that. Next, I'm coming on to the third. So I've got Refreshments Velvety Body Cream, Wing Me Cosmetics Well Put Eye Primer, sponges, which I would never choose. Not interested in Cinta London either, or Chica Beauty, or Lith Beauty. I don't have an interest in any of this actually. Like I literally do not have an interest in anything that I'm seeing. I'm actually a bit pissed off right now. I don't like the choices that we've been given. Like I don't even understand like how you could give me so many brands that I don't even know. Like the only thing I would know is Refreshments because I know that's like the Ipsy thing, but I'm actually a bit upset with my choices. I'm just gonna take the Velvety Body Cream, but I'm actually really not too happy about this. I may take I think I'm just gonna stick with Refreshments because I don't really know anything about Wing Me Cosmetics. It sounds familiar. I may have tried something, but I don't think I liked it. It wasn't enough to leave that much of an impression on me. Now I'm coming down to Beauty Boost, which you are allowed to choose, and they had given me the Grown Alchemist thing, which I wasn't seriously interested in, and I know that it's got like a high value and all of that, but I wasn't particularly interested in that because I have a lot of serums as it is. So my other choices are Tula Skincare, Kat Berkey Nutrient C Eye Cream, the Ole and Rixen Acid Done Bright Set, a brush set, and then Living Proof. I'm honestly a little disappointed even with Beauty Boost because you're paying $15. I think that the only thing I would be very interested in is this because I've tried Ole and Rixen before and I did like it, and this says it gives you your smoothest skin ever. It's got a dark spot toner and you know witch hazel and all of that, and I do kind of need something because I do get pimples, like you can see one right over here. So I think that this is like the only thing that I would actually pick. So I'm happy that I at least get like one thing that I like. So I'm going to go in for that one. How do I pick that? Oh, sorry, I have to press the plus. So yeah, that was fast. So yeah, I'm getting the perfume, the Squalene Velvety Body Cream, which I'm not happy with. I'm okay with the perfume and the Squalene, but I felt like that was like the best choice out of everything that I got. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just not super happy with my July box. Like, I don't know if you guys got better choices. I actually don't need hair products and, you know, stuff like that, so I'm kind of like surprised that they gave us like 2, it seems. Like over here, Rose and Quartz, there was a Muse hair mask, and then down over here in Beauty Boost, I think that was another thing, right? Yeah, Living Proof PhD weightless mask. I know Living Proof is great, but I just wouldn't really go for that on here. Like, I'm actually on here more for makeup. I don't really want, like, when I'm purchasing, I don't need hair products that much, because I've already gotten it, right, from like my creator box and everything. So yeah, I don't actually feel super excited for this month. I think the Squalene, the perfume, the Ole and Rixon, and the mascara are probably the things that I'm happiest with, but I'm not really happy with refreshments. So that means if I didn't have Beauty Boost, I would actually not be happy with refreshments. And then that Gold Fat and MD thing, which, I don't know, it's just not really something that excites me, you know? So yeah, that's basically that. I'm just going to confirm it and show you some of the add-ons that we have this month. So let us see, we've got all of this. So I can actually buy that banana eye cream for $12. I'm not going to do that. There's a Biro Pear Serum Oil, just fascinating, but I don't think I'm going to buy that. So yeah, it looks like they've got some okay products. There's Bare Minerals for $3.50. Juliet has a gun, not a perfume. That's interesting. What is that? It's a iconic and minimalist perfume, and wow, I think people may actually like this. I know that Juliet has a gun is very expensive, so actually being able to try that out sounds really fun. I'm not getting something today because I actually just did like a whole perfume haul, which I'll be uploading later. So I don't think I need that just right now. It looks like we've got some good brands, some really bad ones. Never really been interested in Estate Cosmetics or anything like that, or yeah, any of these really. Kiss and Smink is okay. I wouldn't like go out of my way to purchase it because I didn't really love the applicator. Like, it was okay. It's like a nice thing, but like if I get it in my box, I'm gonna be like, okay, thank you. But if I had to buy it myself, I wouldn't. I'm just trying to see if there's anything that I really have an interest in. I don't like the eyeshadow palettes. First Aid Beauty should be okay. And so that Elemis product should be okay as well. Like, I mean, I tried one of their, it was like a primer moisturizer thing, and I liked it, but didn't love it. So I don't think I would actually like pick that up. Then there's that Key Soul Care Protector Light thing. So how much are these? I think these are all $3.50, right? Like every single one of these are, yeah, these are the deluxe mini products, yeah. So this is all $3.50. So that's if you just want to like improve it a bit. I don't know. Oh, they have Tatcha, the water cream. Oh, kind of tempted to do that, but I do have like 2 big tubs at the moment of my Tatcha. So wow, but I guess like that's a good thing, right? Like, I love Tatcha. So I think that if you get Tatcha, you will be so happy. I wish that they could put this in our actual box. Like, why can't you put it in our box? Like, that would have been the best thing, right? I would have been so happy with Tatcha. Like, I really would have. They have Fresh. I love Fresh. Tarte is also good, so that's good. These are all the $6 things. I don't really see anything I'm particularly interested in. And then we come to the full-size products. They've got like a whole lot of Tula. ABH, Danessa Myricks is also here. Kosas. Oh, Kosas would have been cool. Like, you see, I wish that they would actually put stuff like that into my July box. I would have loved to have gotten Kosas or Give Beauty. Oh, even the palette that they said they were going to be like doing like this month is in here. So I have tried the Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. It didn't work very well for me. So yeah, that's also there. So I know about that one. Murad, I love their cleansing like balm. I love Murad's cleansers. I think that's the same one that I got the other month, and I think it is. Yeah, I think this is actually, yeah. And I absolutely love Murad. So if you get Murad, I think that you'd be really happy with it. let's see what else they have. It seems like they also have some products from like the previous month. So again, we're running into a Biro. That's the Breakfast Tea Treatment Essence. So anything by Biro, I think you'll be very, very happy with it. Innisfree, the Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Cream, I got to try that out as well in my other box, and I did like it. I thought that was really, really good. Let's see, I don't really go in for Benefit skincare at all. Even though I got to try like the whole range out, it wasn't my favorite range. So it's okay, like if I get it, like I said, in my creator box, but I'd never pick it myself. I like the Pixi Beauty Rose Oil Blend, which I also got in my previous box, so I do think that's a good one. Then there's that Malin & Go, it's Recovery Treatment Oil. I think I got that last year, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is it's a face oil, yeah. And it was actually pretty good. So I think that one's also pretty nice. Let's see what else they have. They've got the same hair mask for sale. Okay, for 12, I wouldn't have picked that. And then, of course, full-size products that you can pay 18. There's Olaplex, Tula again, a lot of Tula, and Cat Bucky again, which was also available for me to pick, but I decided I didn't want that. And then there's Fresh. I do like Fresh, so I think that one should be okay. Herbivore Botanicals Lapis. Okay, so that one, I love Herbivore. It's one of my favorites, so that's fantastic. And then there's Kate Somerville, again, another Olaplex, Living Proof, 5 cents. I actually did get the 5 cents perfume before, so I wouldn't pick that one. And then there's more 25 size products, which I wouldn't buy either because I just don't think that that's me. And they've even come up with bundles. I didn't know that they had bundles, but okay. And then there's all of this, and then there's the Fenty Edit, which, as you can see, I don't know if this is already sold out, but I'm not able to add it in. So, or maybe that's something I have to buy separately. I really don't know. But anyway, yeah, this is basically it for me for my, you know, July add-ons and, you know, my box. I will be honest, I'm not super excited by all of this. I just feel like this is very, it's very meh, you know? It's very like, okay, you know, I'm getting this, and I don't know if I was, and I am paying for this, so like, I'm just feeling like this is a bit lackluster for me. I felt like it could be so much better because you go into that shop and you see all the choices that they have in the shop, and you're like, why can't you put some of those as the choices? Because then I would have actually been happy. But instead they kind of like give you some good, some not so good. So it's a little bit disappointing, if I'm being honest. I'm not too happy with the things that I got. So anyway, let me know what you guys are choosing for your boxes and what you're looking forward to. I have been seeing a lot of comments saying that they've not been particularly interested in the July box because it's been a bit disappointing seeing what's been coming out. I will let you know what I get in my creator box as soon as I get that. I'm still waiting on it to come out, but I wanted to show you what I'm choosing for this month and the stuff that I'm actually purchasing. So anyway, lots of love to you. I'll be back soon, and I hope to hear from all of you about your choices. What are your thoughts on the box and, you know, the initial like products that you're getting? Lots of love. Bye-bye.